Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to integrate Filestage with Adobe Premiere Pro. With this integration, you can submit sequences from Premiere Pro to Filestage for review and receive feedback directly within Premiere Pro. Before we begin, please note that you need an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription and also an installed version of Adobe Premiere Pro. After installing this plugin, the link is available on our Help Center, or you can find it directly in the Creative Cloud Marketplace. Need to activate it inside Premiere Pro by clicking on Window, go to Extension, and then click on Filestage. I have already activated, that's why there's this check mark. You will then see this Filestage window where you need to log in like usual. And after successfully logging into Filestage, you can navigate through Filestage just like you would in a browser. To upload a new sequence in Filestage, just choose the project you would like to upload the sequence to. Click on Upload Sequence. Select which sequence you would like to upload from Premiere Pro and also in which video quality, and then select Upload. After the sequence has been uploaded successfully, you can receive feedback in Filestage like you would usually. Playhead inside Filestage and in Premiere Pro are synchronized. So if you move the playhead in Filestage, you will see that the playhead is also moving in Premiere Pro. After your reviewers have given their feedback on the file, the comments are automatically synchronized with the sequence in Premiere Pro. To view comments, every comment left in a certain point in Filestage will be transferred to Premiere Pro as a marker and the same frame. Double-click on the markers in Premiere Pro to open the comments in the marker description. And this is especially helpful if you don't have the Filestage window open. Please note that in case any annotations have been made, these will only be visible in the Filestage viewer and not in Premiere Pro. That's it. You have now learned how to integrate Filestage with Adobe Premiere Pro to submit sequences for review and receiving feedback directly within Premiere Pro.